Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So in the previous video I have discussed about the user inputs in C. If you guys haven't seen the video yet, the link is in the description, you can check that out. Now in this video we'll discuss about what? Operators in C. Now let us see first what are operators in C. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical function. For suppose we are adding two numbers, then how we know that we'll have to add two numbers? By seeing the plus symbol. So here the plus symbol specifies that we'll have to add two numbers. So here plus symbol here acts as the operator. Now we'll see the different types of operators in C. The first one is what? Arithmetic operators. Next come the relational operators, then logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, and the last one is miscellaneous operators. Now let us see what is arithmetic operators. The following table shows all the arithmetic operators supported by the C language. Assume that A holds value 10 and variable B holds value 20. Okay, now here are two variables A and B. For suppose A holds the value 10 and B holds the value of 20. Now let us see what are the different operators, that is arithmetic operators in C. The first one is what? Plus operator, that is add two number, simple as that, A plus B equal to 30. Next one is what? Subtract operators, A minus B equal to minus 10, that means 10 minus 20 equal to minus 10. Next one is what? Multiplication, that is multiplies both operands, A into B equal to 200, that is 10 into 20 equal to 200. Next one is division. Next one is the modulus operators. Next one is increment and decrement. Now let us see what is actually the increment and decrement is. We all know that increment is to increase the value, that means here the value of A is 10, and when we do the use the increment operator, its value increase to 11, and when we use the decrement operator, its value decreases to 9. Let us see next the relational operators. Now same as well, the value variable A holds the value 10 and variable B holds the value 20. Now first one is what? Equal and equal to. Now what is this operator? It checks if the value of the two operands are equal or not. If the values are equal, then the condition becomes true. Here the expression is A equal to B is not true, as 10 and 20 are not equal, so the condition is not true. Next one is what? Not equal to. Checks if the value of two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, then the condition is true. Okay, now here 10 and 20 are not equal, so A not equal to B is true. Okay, next the next one is greater than. Check if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Now here 10 is less than 20. Obviously 10 is less than 20, so the condition is not true. Next one is what? Less than. So here yes, obviously 10 is less than 20, so the next less than condition is true. Again the next one is greater than or equal to. Check if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to. Previously we have seen that only greater than or less than. Now here with greater than and less than, here one more condition is added, that means that is equal to. Okay, greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. If the condition satisfies, then it will be true, or if it doesn't satisfy, then it will be false. So here A holds the value 10 and again V holds the value 20. So it is not greater than or equal to. A greater than or equal to B will be true if the value of B is 10. Same as well, here A is less than B, so A less than equal to B is true. Next one is what? Logical operator. Let the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 0. Now the first logical operator is what? Logical AND operator. If the operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. That means what? If the both the operands are non-zero, here A holds 1 and B holds 0, that means A is non-zero whereas B is 0, so A and B is false here. So when it will be true? If both A and B are non-zero, that means B will be when B will be 1, then the condition will be true. Next one is what? Logical OR. If any of the two operands is non-zero, then the condition becomes true. That means A or B is true. If either of the operands is non-zero, here A is 1 and B is 0, so the A or B is true. Next one is what? Logical NOT operator. It is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then logical NOT operator will make it false. Now we have seen that A and B is false. Now for suppose if we take any statement as false, how can we define it in other sense? Other sense, like I mean to say that if something is false, then it will be not true. So here we have seen that A and B is false, so not A and B will be true. That means not A and B is true as A and B is false. Okay. Next one is assignment operator. There here are the table that shows the assignment operator. First one is what? Equal to. Simple assignment operator assign values for right side operands to left side operands. Now the first simple assignment operator stores the value of the right hand side to left hand side. Here the C equal to A plus B assign that the value of A plus B will be stored in C. Next one is what? Add and assignment operators. What does it do? It adds the right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. That means what? It here C plus equal to A is equivalent to what? C equal to C plus A. That means it adds the left operand with the right operand and store the value of the addition in the left operand. Same as well subtract and assignment. It subtract the left operand from the right operand and store the value in the left operand. Same as well with the multiply and assignment operator. It multiplies the left operand with the right operand and store the value in the left operand. And same as well with the divide and assignment operator. It divides the left operand divides the left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. Next one is modulus and assignment operator. It is same as before. It takes modulus using two operands and assign the result to the left operand. Next one is what? The left shift and assignment operator. Now what is the left shift? Let us take two integer x and y. Now left shifting the integer x with the integer y is equivalent to the multiplying x with 2 raised to the power y. Now here see equivalent to right shift, and next one is right shift and assignment operator. Now again here what is the right shift? Now again, if we take the two integer x and y, right shift is similar to the dividing the x with 2 raised to the power y. Next here comes the bitwise AND assignment operator, bitwise exclusive OR AND assignment operator, bitwise inclusive OR AND assignment operator. Now what are these bitwise operators? We will discuss about it next. Now bitwise operators works on bits and perform bit by bit operation. Okay, remember, we'll have to remember that bitwise operators perform bit by bit operations. Now here are the truth tables for the binary and binary OR and binary XOR operators. Now if P is 0 and Q is 0, so P and Q will be 0, and P or Q will be 0, again P XOR Q will be 0. Next, if P equal to 0 and Q equal to 1, P and Q will be 0, P or Q will be 1, P XOR Q will be 1. Next, if P equal to 1 and Q equal to 1, then P and Q will be 1, P or Q will be 1 again, and P XOR Q will be 0. Next, if P equal to 1, Q equal to 0, P and Q will be 1, P or Q will be 1, and again P XOR Q will be 1. Let us assume that A equal to 60 and B equal to 13 in binary format. Then the binary conversion of A, 60 equal to 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0, and 13 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. So basically, if we convert 13 to binary format, it will be 1 1 0 1. So why we have written this 4 0 here? It is nothing but to represent the B, that is to represent 13 in 8-bit format. We have given the 4 zeros here. Next, if we do the AND operation, that means binary AND, then A and B equal to 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. Now how this 1 0 came? Previously we have seen that bitwise operator perform bit by bit operation. So now we'll have to do the operation bit by bit. Previously we have seen that AND in AND 0 and 0 0 0 and 1 also 0. So here if we do the operation bit by bit, 0 and 1 0, 0 and 0 0, 1 and 1 1, 1 again 1 and 1 1, 1 and 0 0, 1 and 0 0 0, 0 and 0 0 0 and 0 0. Okay, next similarly A or B, 0 or 1 1, 0 or 0 0, 1 or 1 1 1, same as well for XOR. Now what is this? This is complement. Now what is complement? Complement is nothing but changing the bits to reversing the bit. That means the 0 bit became the 1 bit and the 1 became 0. Here complement of A is what? A is 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. So the complement of A will be 1 1 0 0 0 0 and 1 1. Okay. Next, here is nothing but the tabulated form of the previous examples. So you can see that binary AND operator copies a bit to do the result if it exists in both operands. Now we get the previous result as 0 for A and B, 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. So if we convert this binary result to decimal format, then we get the result as 12. So for OR operators, the result is what? If we convert the binary to decimal, we get the result as 61. and for XOR we get, by converting the binary to decimal, we get the result as 49. That means when A XOR B, it will be 49. And again complementing it gives us nothing but just the negative of the result. Next, what is this miscellaneous operators? There are some operators which doesn't come under any category, so they collectively called as miscellaneous operators. Now what are the miscellaneous operators? The different miscellaneous operators are size of. Now what is this size of operators? It returns the size of any variable. When you use this operator in any program, it returns the size of the variable. Now like if we use like size of A, where A is an integer, the result will be returned, that will return will be 4. Next is what? AND. Here AND returns the address of the variable, and person A returns the actual address of the variable. Next is pointer to the variable. Now what is pointer? Now here pointer points to the address of the variable that is stored in another variable. Okay. Next is what? Conditional expression. Now what is this conditional expression? If the condition is true, then the value is x, otherwise the value will be y.